Hi, it's Vias Taro. Hello, Gemini. Okay, so current person and singles love read. Okay, so yun ang ating titingnan ngayon. Okay, ngayong August. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, so kung may iba pang tanong, message lang kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so let's start the reading. Dun muna tayo sa current. Okay, the person on your mind. Yan. Okay, let's see. Tingnan natin kung ano bang meron. Okay. Ano bang situation nyo ngayon? Okay, situation ng mga Gemini. Okay. At ng kanilang current person. Okay. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Okay. Why? Some of you, this is a past person. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kung yun nga, may nangyari ng separation, nandoon pa rin like karmically tied. Okay? Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah, this is unfinished business rin. Okay, the Ten of Cups. Yeah. Okay. So, ay, naku po. Okay. So, itong taong to, situation ninyo, okay, pwedeng family, may family kayo ng taong to, may anak kayo together. And I think some of you may chance na walang contact. Okay, because of this. Parang walang contact, wala nang balita, parang ganyan. Pero, isa sa inyo, sabihin nating, kahit hindi nag-reach out, alam naman kung ano yung sasabihin. Okay? Parang alam ang sasabihin or, I don't know, kung bakit hinahayaan na parang wag na lang mag-usap. Okay? So, meron ditong kailangan mangyari, may mabago. Yeah. Pagdating sa situation, it's like a cycle na rin. Wala na nangyayari. Okay? Kung magkasama man kayo nito, okay? So, kung magkasama man kayo nito, nandyan yung energy na parang walang progress. Yeah. Okay, so ano bang meron sa person mo, Gemini? Anong meron sa person mo? Oops. Gemini. Okay, the Emperor in reversed. So, they're being irresponsible. Some of them pwedeng Aries. Okay, being immature. What's that? The Knight of Swords in reverse. Tumalikod to sa mga responsibilidad, Gemini. Okay, yeah, some of you may third party involved. Yeah, the Three of Swords. So, in general, in general, may separation yung iba. Okay, separation, may ending na nangyari. Okay, so tumalikod itong taong to, tinakbuhan ka, nilayasan ka, inalisan ka, parang ganyan. Yeah. Iniiwan lahat ng responsibilidad sa'yo, parang ganon. Okay. Kaya kaya ito? Kaya kaya itong reading? Okay. So, ano ba talagang emosyon niya for you? Ngayon ha? Okay. The Knight of Coins. This is boredom. Yeah, that's boredom. Yung parang nandyan na rin yung panlalamig, wala na. Parang the Seven of Coins in reversed. The Ten of Coins in reversed. Okay, so this is a time waster. Sa totoo lang. Okay? So, yung iba nga sa kanila, alam ko na may chance na alam naman nila kung anong dapat sabihin, anong dapat gawin, i-action pagdating sa sitwasyon, pero they're not doing it. They're not. Okay? Like, hayaan ko na to. Nakaka-bored or ayoko. Parang ganun. Wala silang ganung magandang dahilan kung bakit hindi nila ginagawa. Okay? So, they're just wasting their time kung ano man ang ginagawa nila sa ngayon outside the connection. Okay? Some of them, meron silang parang tawag dyan, bisyo. Okay? Some of you, you're still waiting for this person. Okay? Hindi niya kayang mag-step up, Gemini. Hindi niya kayang mag-step up dito sa situation nyo. Wala kang mapapala. Kung naghihintay ka, you're expecting wala. Okay? So, let's see what's their next action. What is their next action? The 7 of coins. I don't know. The 7 of cups in reversed. Okay. I think, kung may third party na involved, I think the grass wasn't greener. No? Sa kung saan man siya naroon. Okay? Yeah, the grass wasn't greener on the other side. Like that. So, I think this is karma. I think this is karma. Yeah. So, 7 of cups in reverse. Okay, the king of coins. Okay. So, anong 7 of cups in reversed? Some of you, may chance na yun nga, nakikita nito yung kung ano ang meron sa'yo ngayon. Okay. Some of you may chance rin na parang ang tawag dito, lalaki yung binabasaan ko. Oo. And babae yung umalis sa situation na to. Okay? Hindi yun para sa lahat, pero may ganun akong nakuha. Yeah. 7 of cups in reversed. Page of cups in reversed. Kahihiyan. They're stalking you. They're stalking you. Still karmically tied, or still yung energy ninyo is nandyan pa rin, like hindi pa rin natatapos. Okay? So, yeah, yun nga. Again, alam naman ito yung mga dapat sabihin, but they're not choosing to say it. Okay? To clear things up, or okay? So, wala. Napahiya tong taong to. Some of them, nandun yung ego. Okay? Specific. Kung may third party, hindi maganda yung sitwasyon nila ng third party. Gusto na niya na umalis doon. Ayaw na niya noon. Pero, because of their ego, hindi ito babalik. Hindi ito parang magiging weak sa paningin mo. Okay? Hindi yan babalik. Hindi yan parang magiging needy pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, they're acting immature. Yeah, may nangyari kasing decision sa past ninyo na pwedeng sobrang madali. Like, hindi naman masyadong pinag-isipan, gumawa na ng decision and then go. Parang gano'n. And then ngayon, this person, talagang, sabihin nating, niyayakap siya ng karma. Okay? Yeah, niyayakap siya ng karma. Okay. Hindi siya makaalis. Diba? So, ano ang advice for you, Gemini? Pagdating dito sa current nakakonect mo, or dito sa current situation mo. Okay, the 3 of Swords. Okay, learn to forgive. Okay, learn to forgive. Learn to heal. Okay. Yeah, the Hermit in reversed. Okay, some of you, if you're still waiting for this person to reach out, you don't need it. Okay? For closure, for whatsoever, hindi mo na kailangan. Okay? Because yun nga, sa ka-immaturean ng taong to, never lang gagawin yung gusto mo para mabigyan ka ng clarity. So, yung closure or clarity na gusto mo, ikaw na magbigay sa sarili mo. Okay? Wala namang kusino ang pwedeng makatulong sa'yo actually para mag-heal ka. Sarili mo lang. Kahit ano pang sabihin sa'yo ng tao, if you will not choose to heal, hindi ka naman talaga mag-heal. Okay? So, move forward. Okay? Don't settle sa kung anong meron sa ngayon. Okay? And learn to move forward. Hindi mo naman alam kung anong meron sa ngayon. Hindi mo naman alam kung anong iniintay mo. 'Di ba? You're just wasting your time if ever na naghihintay ka sa kung ano man. Okay? Yeah. The 5 of Cups in reverse is moving on. Okay, yeah, strength is here in reversed. Putting effort pagdating sa sarili mo, ang pinaka kailangan. You have here the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Unang-unang card mo, this is cycle. You're in a cycle. Paulit-ulit. So, kailangan na ng changes dito sa situation mo. Okay? You don't need anybody's help or kung ano man. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, Gemini. So, tayo tumungo doon sa new person. Okay? If you're eyeing someone, okay, if you have this new person, na nagugustuhan mo nga ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano bang meron for you sa inyong dalawa, ng new person na iniisip mo. Okay. Let's see. Tawan-tawa sa boses. Okay, Gemini. Anong meron dyan sa new person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dyan sa new person? Meron bang parating, if ever, sa mga single? Tingnan natin. Okay. The 4 of Swords. What? Gemini. Okay, so 4 of Swords. So this is silent. So I think, I don't know, some of you pwedeng hindi pa kayo masyadong nagkakausap or hindi pa ganoon, no, na parang ka-open itong taong to sa'yo. May chance na ganon. The 10 of Cups. Oh! Whoa! Okay. Oh! Gemini. Hello. Oo. So, I think, situation ng taong to, pwedeng hindi mo alam, okay? Pwedeng hindi mo alam na meron itong kakonek. Meron siyang family. Okay? Like, sariling pamilya, may anak. Yeah. Sino itong nagugustuhan mo? Gemini. Pwedeng hindi mo pa alam yan, or sabihin nga natin na no idea ka pagdating dyan, or sabihin natin kung nag-uusap kayo nito, hindi niya pa binabanggit yun. Okay? Hindi niya pa binabanggit. Yeah. So talagang kung nag-uusap kayo nito, talagang pinipili nito yung mga pwede niyang dapat or kung ano mga kailangan lang niya sabihin sa'yo. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yung iba naman, kung hindi kayo nag-uusap, this person is giving you, sabihin nating, tawag dyan, kasiyahan, no? Every time you see this person. Parang ganon. Okay, so, pwedeng air and water. Okay, so ano bang meron talaga dyan sa taong yan? Ano bang meron sa kanya? Gemini. Okay. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Bakit? The Ace of Cups in reverse. The 10 of Wands. What? The Star. Mahirap sa taong to maging open emotionally. Okay? They're not available emotionally. Sa ngayon, I don't know why. Mahirap sa kanila na maging open. Like, magsabi kung anong nararamdaman for you. Okay, yeah. Some of you, This person is, sabihin natin na, kung walang involve, may chance na they're just playing the field. Like, pwedeng naghahanap lang din siya ngayon ng pwedeng talagang makapartner, like, long term. So, that's why hindi sila totally nagiging open pa kaagad-agad sa kanilang emotions. Okay? Yeah. And I think, meron ditong sabihin natin parang hadlang kung bakit hindi nila ginagawang maging open. The 6 of Wands in reverse, yeah. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. So, talaga naghahanap to ng talagang parang feeling niya, ito na. Okay, so it's, collect and collect. And then select. Parang ganun siya, yung taong to. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano ang next action niya towards you, Gemini? Okay, yeah. This is play. Oo, game. Oo. Are you ready? Gemini. Okay, the Knight of Wands. So, this is open pagdating sa dating. Parang ganyan. Let's see. The Nine of Wands in reverse. This is sex. Opo. Ha, binulong ko baka may makarinig. Okay. Yes. Pero hindi mo malalaman ang emosyon. They're ready. Sa mga ganon na eksena. Pagdating sa'yo, Gemini, ready sila. Pero pagdating sa pakikipagseryosohan muna or yeah, parang hindi eh. I'm seeing here a one night stand with this person. Yes, nabulong po ako para hindi marinig. Gemini. Oh, kumusta ka? Oo. So, I'm seeing here a short-term connection. Okay, not a relationship. Okay. So, oh my God. Hi. Ang dami ko naririnig na kung ano mang salita. And yeah, ayoko sabihin dito. On air. Oh, I can't. Oo. So, what? Okay. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano magiging outcome nyo? Yeah, there is a lot of happy moments sa inyong dalawa ng taong to, ha. Okay, so anong outcome nyo, Gemini, nitong taong to? This new person, okay? Outcome. The 7 of Wands in reverse. Agoy. The Star in reverse. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, the Sun. So, sabihin nating hindi ko mapunto. Hindi ko masabi yung talagang word, no? Kung anong meron. Bakit ganun? Okay, so outcome ninyo is parang unti-unti. Kunyari, nakuha nyo na yung gusto nyo sa isa't isa. Andun yung parang unti-unti rin na maglalaylo. Okay? Walang mag-e-effort dito. Walang mag-e-effort. Walang magta-try na i-fix if ever na may issue. Okay? Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know. At the Page of Wands. Some of you, this is too young for you or there's an age gap between sa inyo. Okay? So, ang hanap lang kasi nito is, fun. Okay? It's just fun. So, if you're looking for someone na talagang ready to settle, hindi ito yung the one. Okay? Yes. Open lang sila sa pakikipag yeah. Okay, so I think kung ano man ang mangyari, marami ka namang lesson na na makukuha, no, from this connection na pwedeng mangyari nga. Okay? And yeah, matuto, 'di ba? Matuto ka sa kung ano mang may ibibigay ni universe. Some of you this is talagang naka-destined, no, na parang ma-experience mo. Yeah, okay. So anyway, wala naman tong masyadong ganap. Oo, wala. This is too boring. Sa totoo lang. Pero kung hindi ka bored o hindi ka naboboard sa mga fun times, di ba? Di good for you. Oo. Pero kung gusto mo ng talagang seryosohan, this is not for you. Oo, itong taong to, this is not for you. Okay, so we have here Pisces, a lot of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, there is Aquarius here. So, yun ang aking pinakamadaming sign dito. Oo, ma-action. Ma-action. Itong tao to, they're sabihin natin they're into that hobby. Okay, sana alam niyo sinasabi ko. Oo, 'di ba? Ano tayo dito? Wholesome. Okay. So, yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you. Gemini placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our every page. Thank you. Bye.